What's good, guys? Keaton here. So I got something really cool to show you. Basically, I didn't think I was gonna be able to get my hands on this because this is an Indian exclusive. So let me give you guys a backstory. Basically, KFC released a drone in India. I know that sounds crazy. I thought it was crazy too. So my buddy iGyaan actually hooked me up. I'll leave a link down below to his video. This wouldn't be happening if it wasn't for him. So thank you so much, man. Basically, KFC made a drone, and the only way you could get a drone is you had to order their smoky grilled wings. Sound pretty good. I don't know if we actually have these in the US. We're actually gonna head over to a KFC to see if they have them, but they only made 50 of these drones, and the only way to get them is you had to order the smoky grilled wings, and I am so amped. Drop a like in this video if you guys have heard of the KFO. That's what KFC's calling it, the Kentucky Fried Object. Kinda works. So let's just open this up. Wow, this box is so nice. Pretty solid box, kinda like an Apple box. That's not bad. The most fly meal ever. Oh, that's good. That's a good one. What else is, oh wow. KFC, it's finger licking good. Limited edition, smoky grilled wings. So you had to order the wings to qualify for a chance to get the drone. Dude, I am so pumped to check this out. All right, so on the box here, we have this kind of wing, which looks a little bit like, what, a bird? It looks like a bird.
Put a bird on it!
So let's go ahead and just open this thing up here. Wow, wing feels pretty nice. Dude, this is really reminding me of the KFC phone. If you guys missed that video, I'll leave a link right up there.
The Crispy Chicken Masters. They made a smartphone. I happen to get it. I gotta know more.
They made a smartphone. Now they got a drone. So since iGyaan actually set this up, I just have what's left, and that's totally all good. We're gonna assemble this, get this thing flying. So we got a manual. I'm guessing this is just how to set it up. You guys know I have problems setting up drones. I'm straight trash at it. But let's see. Oh wow, dude, there's no way I can mess this up. Got some instructions there. Tells you how to connect to Wi-Fi and actually fly it. KFO, baby, KFO. Dude, this is the drone that comes inside a chicken box. That's a thing now. The battery, the prop guards, a few propellers. Oh, the fourth propeller, a fifth propeller, a sixth propeller. It's like they know I'm gonna crash it. They know I'm gonna crash this thing. And some more prop guards. That seems to be it. Anything else in there? No. And before we set this up, I gotta smell the box. It might smell like chicken. Hold up. Dude, that smells like smoky grilled goodness. No, I wish it did. It smells like styrofoam. All right, so here's everything we got. We have the frame, the battery, the 6 propellers, 2 spares, because you're like Keaton and you're gonna crash it. We have our tool to remove it, and then the prop guard. So this should be pretty easy assembly. We're gonna start with the battery real quick. I mean, I've had my fair share of drone experience before, and I've crashed every single drone that I've ever owned. I don't think I'm gonna crash this one. It was a gift, I can't. Oh, that looks like it broke in shipping. Shoot, it's kinda sad. It broke in shipping, iGyaan. Nothing we can do, bud. The battery's supposed to attach and stay at the bottom there, but we're gonna have to keep going on without it. Okay, no worries. Gonna put the props on now. Slide that one on. All right, that looks good. Could you imagine just being at KFC, opening up your box of chicken and seeing you have a drone? That's like Christmas. That is the greatest feeling in the world. This drone's really well built. Usually with like these cheaper type of drones, the parts just break immediately, but I'm really surprised. So the last thing is to download the app and pair it up. App's all downloaded. Let's fire this thing up. I can't believe it. Like, KFC continues to amaze me. Wow. Arm. Is there a camera on here? No way. No way, dude. No freaking way. If they put a camera on here, I would lose it. No camera. KFC. That's the next move. So the drone's good to go. Now the final piece on here. So we have our battery, the Wi-Fi chips right there, and then we need to put the top wing. This came on the front of the box. Now it all makes sense, especially seeing some pictures. Clips in, there we go. This is the KFC drone. Only one thing left to do, get arrested.
So we made it to the KFC. It's gonna be interesting to see what they think about us filming the KFO. Real quick on this drone, I am so blown away. All right, so you can see the base and the frame is actually 3D printed. It's about half the weight of an iPhone 10, just to kind of give you guys a perspective. Prop guards look great, propellers look great. This is one of the better, cheaper drones I've seen, and it's by KFC. Now let's turn this thing on. It's good to go. one thing left to do. Let's fly. I can't believe this KFC. Come check this out. They knew we were coming, so they opened the door for us. Literally, there is no doors on this KFC. This drone is gonna go in and out like butter, or should I say chicken. So I got the KFC drone, and it's got a piece of popcorn chicken on it. There's literally only one thing left to do, and that's fly the KFO inside a KFC. Let's KF go. So let's put this down. We're gonna have the chicken off to the side. So when it lifts up, it takes a piece of popcorn chicken with it. And before we get this going, Kyle and I were talking, we thought if they were to take a drumstick and then you'd stick the propellers in there, that would be the next level KFC drone. All right, let's get the Wi-Fi configured. The kernel has connected. KFO app. Here we go, dude. Oh, this is gonna be crazy. So to engage it, KFO connected. Arm. Are you ready?
Pretty cool.
It took up the piece of popcorn chicken. And no one cares. That's the best part. Dude, it took up the piece of popcorn chicken.
Flying nugget.
Yeah, it is a flying nugget. Wow, this is absolutely insane. Okay, let's do it again. Let's see if I can get it going. We got a spectator. I gotta make sure they're happy. Oh my God, we're flying a chicken drone inside KFC. If this was like a Burger King, you could tell me to get out of here, but no, it's the KFO, baby. There's not really much you can do. Oh. I have to get it back in the kitchen.
Keaton, no. Keaton, there's health laws.
I know there's health laws.
Dude.
So to fly the drone, it's really easy. Once the Wi-Fi is connected, you have a lot of modes on here, surprisingly. So you roll, your pitch, your yaw, you can hit arm. I don't know what any of those words mean. I'm just gonna act like I'm the world's best drone flyer. We are flying a chicken drone, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my. That was my longest flight ever. I'm not that good of a pilot. That's Louisiana. Fast! Yeah guys, so that's the KFC drone. If you guys want more fast food products like this, make sure you guys drop a like on this video and get subscribed with notifications turned on if you're new. Let me know in the comments if you guys are just joining the Notif Squad. Follow me on the Insta story. That's where all the behind the scenes happen for this. You guys saw this thing early, and I'll see you guys later. All right, peace.